Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to remove logo background in Photoshop. We open Photoshop and see our logo with a background, in this case, white. To eliminate it, we are going to go to the selection tools, and by holding down, we can access the magic wand tool. After that, we are going to click on the background color. We will see what is selected. After this, click on the select option and then click on similar. Next, we click on select again and choose inverse. Finally, we are going to click on the layer and then choose the Create Layer Mask icon. We will see that the background of our logo will become transparent. You will only have to export your logo as a transparent PNG to preserve those properties. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.